Good night, everyone. It's time to go to sleep. So, the time check is magsi 7:30. Tapos dito na ako sa bed kasi sobrang pagod talaga today. Happy Sunday. We're going for our breakfast. Time check 7:30. Oh, we're here coffee for breakfast. Hindi mo na kay coffee, darling? Huh? So, coffee shop. Ang daming food. Huh? It's break time.
Just a little bit. Piece of time.
Maganda kayong tao, guys. Second course natin is try nating maging healthy. May baba. Na-inquire because we're going for a tour. Yay! This is the very exciting part. And it's me waiting for my dad. We're exciting to go somewhere. We start walking now with this breathtaking view. That's the golf course that people like. It's a beautiful view. So see you later. It's 30 minutes walk from the hotel to Sublime Point Lookout. So mga car din, pero mas minili ng asawa kong maglakad. She would like to go for a walk, so pinagbigyan ko. So Sublime Point. There's a seat if you're tired to walk. Downhill siya. House there that you can rest and you can eat. There's a tables and chairs. So yan. Oh wow, careful Baba. So this is the lookout, and there's a table and chairs there if we do some picnic. Careful, darling. So this is the area that we came from. There. So wow. Oh.
Get it? Lucky. Back this way.
Really windy. Just come here for more. So we're going home now. It's really windy. So this is the view. Watch out, it's Steph.
Yeah, they had bricks.
And then we're going. What a beautiful view. So there's a tables and chairs. There's a resting area here. There's a table and chairs if you'd like to eat. You can do picnic in here as well. So walk back to the hotel for another 35 minutes. So let's go. Super windy. It was a beautiful day and beautiful view. So nature lover, this is the good place for you to go for your holiday. Hi Mickey, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for having a ride. Tiring after the big walk. Yeah, they're very cool.
I'm 54 years old.
What a really nice
Life
car.
support for 8 months, and then another 18 months learning how to walk again. Yeah. Don't become dependent. But I can walk around Sydney for a couple of hours. Yeah. Because it's flat, right? Yeah.
Thank you. So we're back to the hotel now, guys, after the Sublime Road Lookout. So very kind people. His mom is a Filipino. He's reading with a map now.
We're Lime Street.
So it's time check. It's 11:30 and we're going to the Three Sisters. And this time around, we're going for drive kasi sobrang pagod namin this morning. It's too far from home. Katoomba. Going to Three Sisters. To the Three Sisters. We're gonna visit the Three Sisters and scenic world in the same area. This is Maria. Katoomba-chan. Wait, what's that? James Buildings, 1925. So, do you have a shopping mall? In Lura, they have a shopping mall. It's a busy place too. This one is a church. Welcome to. It's busy. Huh? Tourist destination. They're all building, darling, no?
Yeah, it's all down, darling.
All
Really
down. Since 1920s. St. Canais. There's a church, Catholic church. Exploring Katoomba artisan. Sisters Barbecue Restaurant, Elder Sif, Herbs of John and Aldi. So here in Three Sisters. Roundabout. So Eco Point, Three Sisters, and here guys, nakapark na kami but we need to pay. So, kailangan naming magbayad sa parking. So, it's really cold and windy talaga. So, there's like a house and chairs. And my baba will need to pay. For how many hours pay here? Hi?
To park until 1.
Okay.
You're okay to park until 1.
So you need
Total
to...
charge will be $8.06.
Now going to the Three Sisters. Eco Point. Wow. Okay, the Three Sisters, guys. So it's really windy and it's 8 degrees. It's really cold. Freezing cold. Seen this before in the telly and now here I am with my baby.
Yeah.
Hi.
Sisters over here.
That's the place. Hi. Beautiful view. Orange, ang daming mga tao. There's a lot of people down there. So wow, beautiful. So Three Sisters, Blue Mountain.
Three.
Huh?
I've split into 2.
Really? That's why they call Three Sisters that one. Wow. There's heaps of people. Where is this now, darling? 1,000 years? 1,000 million years over. This is the one of the best scenery here in Katoomba. Wow. Yeah, so there's a lot of people as well. Because there's heaps of people everywhere, so we're gonna find. So this is really a popular tourist. So we're going down here. They called it Three Sisters because this is the part of history of the Aboriginal. Bobby is still at the back. It's looking so it's really beautiful place. So this is the reason why you must visit Blue Mountains because of the beautiful views everywhere. Ah. Look, the one there, darling. What's the one? That's another. Oh, there we're getting closer to the Three Sisters. There's a chair if you're tired. Wow. I thought it's a glass. No, it's not a glass. Move to the other place, hopefully. So there's a lot of people everywhere. So it's really, there it is. And that's the we come from at the top. So wow, darling. So we're going back to the car park. So
For 1 o'clock.
yeah. Find a parking which is $8 per hour. No parking. So we're gonna slowly heading to the car park. By the time we get there, it will be 1 o'clock. It's a beautiful place. But sobrang windy talaga, windy and freezing cold. Three Sisters in Katoomba. So come everybody, you come and visit. Sister, the cold is unusual formation of rock in the Blue Mountains. So nagbabasa, my papa's reading something, reading. Hindi talaga if you can hear the wind blowing. If you notice, there's heaps of people going to see the beautiful Three Sisters. So if you get lost, you need to use the telephone, Telstra, and it's a beautiful town. There's a bus if you're gonna catch up a bus. There's a restaurant, food, coffee. Are you okay, Bobby? We're going to the car park.